So this is my Husky workbench. It's 6 feet long and 2 feet deep. These two units are separate. You have to buy those extra. And the bench didn't come with this shelf here. I made this. I made this with the extrusion. And this top here, I just bought additional top from Home Depot. It's one big piece like this. On this light here, that didn't come with the bench. This one I got from Costco. It has motion sensor. Got a stool. This stool is from Amazon. Height adjustable. I'll clean up the edges a little bit. It's a 1/4-inch drill bit. Okay, so looking from the back of the board, that's what it's gonna look like. I just attached this piece to the side of the bench. 2 screws. The next thing I'm going to do is going to shoot screws up right here, going up to the bottom of this shelf here. Okay, it's all done. On the side, the back, it's kind of messy. Good enough. Thanks for watching.